Elavon, a U.S. bank company, is a world leader in payment processing. For more than 20 years, we've been serving the needs of the hospitality industry and have become the leader in hospitality payments. In fact, we are the #1 hospitality payment gateway, with 70 of the top 100 hotel management companies relying on Elavon for payment processing services. It's our mission to enhance your guests' experience whenever and wherever payments are required, and to give you the financial tools you need to thrive. No matter how or where guests book a stay, we make the payment experience easy and secure. From the time your guest first books a stay, where the tone is set for the entire stay, we give them the flexibility to pay however they choose, even in their own currency. International travelers spend billions of dollars in North America. By converting purchase amounts to their local currency at the point of sale, dynamic currency conversion gives travelers complete clarity into what they'll pay during their stay. Elavon also seamlessly communicates directly with your PMS and POS systems, preserving existing functionality and mitigating additional training. Our ergonomic countertop terminals with EMV technology help reduce chargeback liability associated with counterfeit credit card fraud. Wireless Bluetooth terminals are perfect for your gift shop, spa, and restaurants, giving you the mobility to accept payments anywhere for the convenience of your guests. And our mobile POS solutions make it possible to process payments and manage your business from anywhere on the property. We take care of the complexity that comes with offering flexible payment options, so you can focus on the more important things like filling rooms with happy guests. So, however your guests prefer to pay, credit or debit card, cash, check, gift card, or mobile wallet, Elavon's payment solutions can accommodate them. In person, online, or by phone. You can even manage your gift cards, rewards, and loyalty programs with Fanfare, our custom loyalty solution. And with Elavon, your guests won't think twice about card data security. Because from the moment they present payment, our Simplify solution, powered by Safety, locks their data down with layers of sophisticated protection, like encryption and tokenization, while helping reduce PCI compliance efforts. No matter who you choose for bank processing, our Fusebox Gateway ensures all payments and transactions are securely delivered. Staying ahead in the hospitality industry often hinges on a hotel's ability to invest in ongoing improvements. Our relationship with U.S. Bank gives you access to important financial services like quicker access to cash flow and flexible financing options for capital improvements. To find out more about the many ways Elavon can help your business grow and thrive, visit elavon.com/hospitality.